Hey, welcome back. Today, we're going to do something fun. We're going to speak English like a pro. Yeah, you heard me right. Not like a textbook robot, but like a real person. And don't worry, I'll speak slow and clear, and you'll have the chance to repeat after me. So, let's warm up and jump right into it. Ready? Let's go. Shadowing section. Natural daily expressions. Let's start with some simple phrases you can use in real life every single day. Now, instead of basic conversations, use these to sound more professional. Say this after me. Say this after me. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Long time no see. What have you been up to? Now let's repeat those again, slowly. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Long time no see. What have you been up to? Section 2. Talking like a native. Small talk phrases. Okay, imagine you're meeting a friend. Try saying,
Not much. Just chilling. Same old, same old. Just taking it easy.
let's mix them with questions.
You free this weekend?
Not much, just chilling.
Hey, how's life?
Same old, same old.
Wanna hang out sometime? We should catch up.
Nice and easy, right? Section 3. Expressing opinions casually. Now let's say what we think in English, but naturally. Repeat after me. I'm not really into that. I'm more of a movie person. That sounds awesome. I'd love to. Mixing emotion and tone makes you sound real. Section 4. Making suggestions. Time to give suggestions like a pro. Let's grab a bite. Wanna try that new place? How about we go for coffee? Now say them again, but like you're really inviting someone. Feel the rhythm and tone. Perfect. Section 5. Agreeing or disagreeing naturally. Sometimes you agree, sometimes you don't. Let's practice both. Agree. Totally. Please use D instead of T. Totally. I hear you. You got that right. Disagree. I'm not sure about that. I see it differently. Maybe, but I think. Practice tone. Polite, casual, natural. Final part, wrap-up practice. Let's do a quick combo practice. Hey, how's it going? Not much, just chilling, you? We should hang out sometime. Sure. How about this weekend? Say it with Jake. One more time.
Hey, how's it going? Not much. Just chilling, you? We should hang out sometime. Sure. How about this weekend?
You nailed it. Hey, it's James again. In this part, let's talk about how to answer common questions like a pro. Not just boring, I'm fine, thank you stuff. I mean real, natural English. And remember, you can
How are
repeat
you?
after me. Don't
Let's
say
go.
I'm fine, thank you. And you? Try these instead. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Can't complain. What about you? Pretty good. Busy, but good. Repeat after me. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Can't complain. What about you? Pretty good. Busy, but good. What do you do? Avoid I'm engineer. Say, I work in tech software development. I'm a teacher. I love what I do. I help people learn English, actually. Repeat. I work in tech software development. I'm a teacher. I love what I do. I help people learn English, actually. Where are you from? Natural answers. I'm originally from Spain, but I live in Canada now. I'm from New York, born and raised. I grew up in London. What about you? Practice with me. I'm originally from Spain, but I live in Canada now. I'm from New York, born and raised. I grew up in London. What about you? Do you speak English? Natural answers. Yeah, a bit. I'm still learning. I do. I'm trying to get better every day. I speak some English, not fluently though. Shadow these. Yeah, a bit. I'm still learning. I do. I'm trying to get better every day. I speak some English, not fluently though. Why are you learning English? Good responses? I want to travel and meet new people. For work, it's really helpful in my job. I love English movies and music, so, yeah. Repeat. I want to travel and meet new people. For work, it's really helpful in my job. I love English movies and music, so, yeah. James. Great job. These answers are short, smart, and sound natural. Keep practicing with me, and soon you'll sound just like a native speaker. In the next part, we'll use what you learned in a short real conversation. See you there.
Short professional conversation. Practice with Jake and Emily.
Welcome to your final part of today's lesson. Now, let's practice a short but professional conversation. This is between Jake and Emily. Listen carefully, and feel free to repeat each sentence after them. Let's begin. Jake meets Emily at the office lobby.
Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Jake.
Hi, Jake. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. Is this your first day?
Yeah, just started today. Everything feels new.
I remember that feeling. Don't worry. You'll get the hang of it.
Thanks. That means a lot.
By the way, what team are you joining?
Marketing. What about you?
I'm with the product team. We might work together soon.
Awesome. Looking forward to that.
Awesome. Looking forward to that.
That's so kind of you. I appreciate it.
No problem. See you around, Emily.
See you, Jake.
Nice. That was a smooth and simple professional conversation. Now it's your turn. Re-watch the dialogue and shadow each sentence. Repeat after Jake and Emily. This helps you sound more natural and confident. Great job today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practice. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.